folded into strips, crafted meticulously to create a mixed illusion of colors, highlighted with earth color stones covered as pockets. The playful and lavish pants are made from shampoo, sachet gathered together and tailored for perfection. Once again, our candidate number 1, Timothy E. Dizon.
Aaron is wearing a long sleeve inspired by recycled materials such as magazine and glossy papers. For his necktie and neck pants are made mainly of garbage bag. Again, our contestant number 3, Mr. Aaron Rafael.
Candidate number 3 is Keith Barrios. He is wearing a vest made of sock and a short made also with sock. Once again, candidate number 3, Keith Aaron Barrios.
Vest is ornamented with continuous spiral straws in front and back, woven straws on the shoulder and back, diagonally folded straw on the chest, and twisted straws on the left side and the right pockets that made the vest pleasingly clever, simple, and stylish. That's our candidate number 2, Christian Torazo.
Wardrobe is made out of used magazine powder, flour, socks, and an old used rubber shoes. The silver lining is made out of cigarette silver foil, having thought that these materials are simple in their appearances. Designed by Sir Felix Yulo. Once again, Mr. Jared Bautista.
Is wearing an old polo shirt that is made up of internet cards on the left side and useless skets on the right side. Covered by popping plastic wrappers, the right sleeve is made of old mosquito net, and the back of the polo shirt is made of old calendar with 5 plastic bottles, glittered cups. He is also wearing a pair of old shoes and old black pants that made of layered mosquito net, an old tablecloth plastic bottle cups accessorized by a necklace, also made of plastic cups. That's our contestant number 6, Mr. Patrick Antonio. Let us welcome the female candidates of the Mr. and Miss Nature 2011 in their recycled costume.